Comparative table showing provision of Income Tax Act 1961 and provision of new Income Tax Bill 2025. As per Income Tax 1961, Chapter 1, Section 1, 2, 3, short title, extent, commencement, second definition, and third is previous year defined. On the other hand, Income Tax Bill Chapter 1, short title, extent, commencement, Section 2 definition, and Section 3 is definition of taxpayer. That means previous year has been changed to tax year. Chapter 2, basis of charge. Section 4 of both the chapters are same. Section 5 is same. Now, Section 5A, apportionment of income between spouses governed by Portuguese Civil Code, has been changed to Section 10 in Income Tax Bill 2025. Section 6 is same. Section 7 is same. Section 8, dividend income in Income Tax Act 1961, is changed to income on receipt of capital asset or stock in trade by specified person from specified entity in Income Tax Bill 2025. Now Section 9, income deemed to accrue or arise in India, are same in both the chapters. Section 9A, certain activities not to constitute business connection in India, has been removed from Chapter 2 as per Income Tax Bill 2025. Here, new Section 9, subsection 12, fund management activity carried out by an eligible investment fund through an eligible fund manager acting on behalf of such fund shall not constitute business connection in India of that fund, has been inserted.